Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Saliha from Odondoka Dental Clinic. In this video, let's discuss about diastema. Diastema refers to a gap or space between the teeth. Causes and treatment of a diastema is also discussed. So let's get into the video. Diastema refers to a gap or space between the teeth. These spaces can form anywhere in the mouth but are sometimes noticeable between the two upper front teeth. This condition affects both adults and children. In children, gaps may disappear once their permanent teeth grow in. Some gaps are small and barely noticeable, whereas other gaps are larger and a cosmetic issue for some people. Let's see the causes of a diastema. There isn't one single cause of diastema, but rather several possible contributing factors. In some people, this condition is related to the size of their teeth and the size of their jawbone. The size of your teeth and jawbone can be determined by genetics, so the diastema can run in families. You may also develop diastema if there is an overgrowth of the tissue that borders your gum line and your two upper front teeth. This overgrowth causes a separation between these teeth, resulting in a gap. Certain bad habits may also trigger a gap between the teeth, causing them to pull forward. In older children and adults, diastema can develop from incorrect swallowing reflexes. Diastemas can also develop from gum disease, which is a type of infection. In this case, inflammation damages the gum and tissue supporting the teeth. This can lead to tooth loss and gaps between teeth. Signs of gum disease include red and swollen gums, bone loss, loose teeth, and bleeding gums. Treatment for a diastema may or may not be necessary depending on the underlying cause. For some people, a diastema is nothing more than a cosmetic issue, and it doesn't indicate a problem like gum disease. Braces are a common treatment for diastema. Braces have wires and brackets that put pressure on teeth and slowly move them together, which closes a gap. Veneers or bonding is another option. This procedure uses a tooth-colored composite which can either fill gaps or fit over teeth to improve the appearance of your smile. If the gums above your two upper front teeth overextend and cause a gap, surgery to remove excess tissue can correct the gap. You may need braces to fully close larger gaps. If your dentist diagnoses you with gum disease, you must receive treatment to stop the infection before you seek treatment to close a gap. Treatment for gum disease varies but may include scaling and root planing to remove tartar from above and below the gums. This eliminates the bacteria causing the disease. Make sure you brush and floss on a regular basis and see a dentist twice a year for regular cleanings and dental examinations. Okay friends, I hope this video is useful. Subscribe to Dr. Odondo Care for more interesting videos. Thank you.